Do you want to improve your money situation? Do you want to improve your health? Do you want to improve your confidence level? And the final question I have for you is, do you want to improve the level of connection you have with your wife, with your children, with the people around you? Then you have to ask yourself these 3 questions.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Now, I have been using these 3 questions in different formats, different frameworks for the last 12 years, because for the last 12 years, I've been speaking, coaching, mentoring people. And one of the things I often do when people come to me one-on-one, they ask me, how to improve their life. I do one-on-one consulting at times. It's very, very at a high level. But I often tell them that you have to learn to ask the right questions. In fact, the 3 questions I'm going to give you right now, I always want to give where the credit is due. I've learned it. These 3 things, these 3 questions were asked to me by one of my mentors, Mr. Vivek, who asked, number 1 question you have to ask yourself is this: where are you right now? You want to make more money? You want to lose some weight? You have to know where you are right now. What's your current weight? What's your current health situation? Specificity. You gotta be specific. If you say just I am making some kind of about 1 lakh, there is no about. How much money are you making right now? What is your exact health situation right now? What is your exact weight right now? You have to know the details. The devil is in the details. You have to know where you are right now. Second question, where do you want to go? Kahan jana chahte ho? Where do you want to go? People have no idea. They say, I want to improve. You have to know where you want to go. You are at a project management level. That's good. 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 1 month from now, where do you want to be? Exactly. Which situation, which specific company, which city, which role, how much money, what responsibility, where do you want to go? When it comes to money, how much money you want to make? When it comes to relationship, what kind of relationship you want to have with your wife? Most people have no idea. They just say, I want my wife to respect me more. How would you know what kind of respect you want from your wife? Do you want your wife to hug you? Do you want your wife to kiss you more? Do you want your wife to just say, oh my God, the tiger has come home? When you come from office, what is that you want from your life? Kahan jana chahte ho? Where do you want to go? So first question, where you are right now. Second, where do you want to go? Third question, kaise jaoge? How will you go there? What's your action step? What's your step-by-step action step? Most people, some people know where they are, they know where they want to go, but they have no idea how to go there. And that's why you need a coach, a mentor, somebody who can take you from where you are and tell you, do this, don't do that, take that path, don't take that path. That's the value of a mentor or a coach. So look, a lot of people sometimes say, I can just YouTube my way to success. Tell me one thing. Tell me the name of one person who's hugely successful, who did not have a mentor. All he did in his life is just watch YouTube videos. Anybody comes to your mind? No. Of course, there are people who are at the top, in any industry, in athletics, in business, management, leadership, finance, anything you tell, man, anything, entrepreneurship, people have mentors, and that's what you need. So somebody who can tell you, who can get you more specific about where you are, who can show you where you want to be, and then can show you how to get there, because this is the gold. This is what you need. This right here can take you to another level, because this is success for you. So grab that right now and take action on this right now. How? By getting a mentor. So number 1 question, where are you right now? Second question, where do you want to go? Third question, how will you go there? Once you have these 3 clarities, I can guarantee to you with my name on it, your life is going to improve by leaps and bounds. You're going to expose yourself to new information, to new world of consciousness, because now you're not going to be just an average man. Now you're not going to be just a professional. You're going to be a leader. You're going to be an influencer, and you will show path to other people. You will now tell them how to go to the next level in their career, in their life, in their health, in their business, in their career. And that's what I want for you. So, kahan pe ho aap? Where are you? Kahan jana chahte ho? Where do you want to go? Kaise jaoge bhai? How will you go there? These 3 questions will change your life. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.